Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by going into Play Store and installing free app called Magic Fluids Lite from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. Then, after tapping on I accept in First Things First pop-up, you can alter all of those options however you feel like. When you finished, just go back, click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom, and decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will stick with home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!